I will give you 3 main core components that you must know as a beginner in Kubernetes. The first concept that you must know about Kubernetes is pod. A pod is the smallest unit in Kubernetes. And with a pod, you can deploy 1 or more containers. But usually when you use Kubernetes, very rarely you will be deploying just an application with a pod. That's where the second component comes in, which is deployment. So a deployment is a way in Kubernetes you usually will deploy pods, and with the deployment you can run multiple images, you can run many replicas, updates, choose a way that you want to update your application safely. Now we have talked about the pod and you are talking about deployment. Let's talk about the last one. The last one, I mentioned 3. The third one is a service. Why we need services? First of all, when you deploy a pod in a Kubernetes environment, you will get an IP address. With that IP address, you can get access to your container. But the problem is this IP address is very temporary. So what happens is you need something that is consistent and persistent. That's where the service comes in. With a service, you have a stable IP and you also have a stable DNS name. You can use, and the service also help you to load balancer across different ports. So to summarize, we talked about pod, deployment, and service.